create a flyer. So I want a white background, so this way. Alright, so I'll mark it, then I'll go and fix my size, 1280, 1280, no, I don't want 1280, I want here 1275, 1275 over here. Okay, so I have this one, then I'll go to image, then go and import, bring my test picture. Alright, so one thing you're supposed to do over here is that this picture here, I want to remove the background. This time around, what I can do is that when I click on this one, I will come to this place, erase color, then click on erase color, then you see it is not going well for me. Stop it, delete it, then go to your phone, what you do is that go to Chrome, then click on remove bg, remove.bg. right here you can see it here, remove.bg. then when you click on remove.bg, what you're going to do is that you're going to remove the background of the picture you want to use for your design. So you click on upload, then click on this picture over here, then upload it, then click on, now the background is removed, so click on download, so it is done. So now the next one, upload. What else do you want to remove the background? Come here, you see this here, this one is upload now, so I want to remove the background of this one also. Okay, then click on download background, it is downloaded now, it's okay. So then now upload again. I'm just removing the background of the pictures I want to use. Then this one too, then download. Okay, then next thing is upload again. Which one do I have? This one, then it is removed, so download. Okay, so now let me go to my board. Alright, so import. Always remember that if you want to bring any image on this your board, you need to click on the image symbol down here. If you click on the A, it means that it will be on the text symbol. It means that you're going to do something on text, editing on text, anything on text. And this one is background, and this one is other effects you can add and adjust to your backgrounds. And now we are going to bring image, so go to import, open gallery, alright. So now let me bring this one first. The background is already removed, so you can see now this one background is not okay, it is removed already. So put it here, just put it here, right here. Okay, then what else? Go here, gallery. The next thing is this one, 2, here. What you have to do is that I want to put this image at the back of the image of the ladies. So come here, then here is in front to front, here is to back, so to back, then it goes back like that. Then I can position this at where I want to position it. Okay, here. All right, so let me bring anything else over here. Nothing else, import. So I'm bringing all my image to the board first, then I can do my editing. All right, so here we have the cream I want to promote. The cream is here. Olive oil for your hair. Alright, so now what next? Test. So what I have to do is that I'll make sure all these pictures are faced to the board so that it will not interrupt with my design. So what I'll do is to click on this thing over here on top here, and I'll click on this lock. So this one is not merging, so I have locked them. So you see, if I put my hands on it, they will not move again. Now I'll go to the top here, right here, then click on the plus there and click on test, double click on the new test, and you type whatever you want to test. Olive oil cream. Oh sure. Right here, olive oil. Olive oil cream. So now what I have to do is I'll select test. What test do I want to use? Okay, let me use this one for now. This is for just training purpose. Okay, center. If I click on this thing, relative position, it means that I want to position it in the center. So center, then I'll choose color. This time I mostly prefer using the texture color. So I'm going to select color from my gallery and apply to it. That's why. So I want to use this color. I want to apply this color to it. And let me go and apply this green. So I'll select only the green. Alright, so olive oil. Okay, so like that. Then I'll lock it. Then I'll go to test again. For your lovely hair. No, give light to your hair. Give life to your hair. Give light to your hair over here. So this one too, I have to All right, go for recent. This one was recent. So now my phone right here, I'll choose yellow. Right here. This one is too okay. This one is okay. Olive oil cream. Give life to your hair. Give life to your hair. So this time around, what I'll have to do is that I'll make sure this give life to your hair comes at the back of the olive drop oil over here. So I'll come here and click on back to the back. Okay, so now this one is at the back of this sign over here, the olive oil drop. So what I'll do is that I'll expand the text over here. Come here and expand the text. Spacing over here, down here, spacing. So click on spacing, then you can space it out a little bit. Okay, then come to relative center here, then center. Okay, so position up a little bit, down a little bit. Okay, now face it to the screen. Where is it? Down here, face it to the screen, lock it. Okay, now next, now let me go and lose my image over here, the ladies one over here. So I have now removed this one, so I can move it around here, then come here. Let me see if I can add some value to it. Perspective. Click on it, then put it here. Perspective, you can just do something to your image over here. Perspective. All right, so perspective. All right, so perspective. Give value to it over here. Then okay, so you see perspective. So you have it over here. Then you can move it forward a little bit, like that. So like that. Then you get it where you want it to be. Then water drop. Go and lose it. Lock the ladies sign over there. Then go to your lose your water drop, your olive drop. This one. Then move it. You see, you can move it now. All right. So where it is it okay for you? Perhaps it may not be okay for you, but then now what I want to do is that I want, if you look at the olive drop, the olive oil cream is on the oil drop, so the oil drop must come forward. I want it to come forward, come front. So come here, then click on front. So it is now in front of all the symbol, all the images. But one thing is that it should go back. It should not be in front of the ladies. It should go back of the ladies like that. Then now, don't worry. Go and I want the olive oil to go back of it. And the give life to your hair go back of the olive drop. So what I'll do is that I'll go here, click on the on the olive oil. Then what I'll do is that I'll come here, test, and then I'll go here, back. So now the olive oil is now at the back of the olive drop. The oil drop over here. The next thing is go to the give life, then come here and click on to the back. So now you can see that now this olive oil drop is in front of the olive oil cream. Then give life to your hair, but then it is at the back of these ladies. So that's how I want it to be. Then you can let it be like this, just to smoothen it, or you can just reduce it a little bit, but then so right here what I did was that I brought the shape here and I changed the color, and I also brought the text here and I just put it on there. So it is like just a nice design that you can create. You just do something, you can just do you can just add a lot of beauty to this. Anytime, any moment, you can just click here, come down here, click shape, take this rectangle, reduce it like that, then to this place, then adjust it here a little bit right here, then you have it this way, then also adjust a little bit, then okay, then what you do is that you position it well, then right here, then you can give it color, you can give it any color. So this color will be somehow good, but with the help of this, no, right here, okay, so this one will be okay. Then you can now try to bring sponsors, test here, then write something here, sponsors right here, sponsors. Then you can just bring this one here, then give it a color, test, give it a font, all right, then give it a color, over here, color over here, nice. Then you can add the sponsors to it. So with the sponsors, you can just bring all your sponsors image logos over here. Just make sure you have imports, then you bring your sponsors logo over here. For instance, if Data for Innovation is part of the sponsors. Alright, so what you do is that you go and pick your logo, the sponsors that involved in this program. You pick them. For instance, we have sponsors like let's say United for Innovation Development Organization. So you fit it, then you bring it so you bring it here. So you see the background of this one is not helping, the color is not helping, so perhaps you have to change the color because it won't let you see the, so you change the color to suit. Alright, so you can change it still. When it comes to beauty, okay, this one is okay. Then you can also add the other partners involved. So you can still go on to pick the other partners involved. Let's say Chapman Library is also part of the partners. So you bring them. You bring their logo. After bringing their logo, then you can actually add a lot of beauty to it. Then you are done with your nice design. Then you can promote your brand with it. You can just change everything over here and make it so sweet and nice. Alright, so that's how it should be. Good.